Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have this car 2005 Nissan Pathfinder. We replaced the computer. The computer was not good. For some reason we replaced it. We start the car. If you see now the RPM is a little bit high. Always, this is the throttle body. The throttle body, anytime you change the computer or you change the throttle body, you have to adjust it. You have to reset it. There is a lot of tools that can do it. We are going to use one tool. Let's go and I'll show you how. Let the car warm up a little bit. You see now the RPM is over 1000. It's supposed to be 7 point or 6.9 or 7.1, something like that. I'm using this machine here. I don't know if it have it or not, but I'm gonna try it.
What machine is this?
This is a locksmith tool, but it's good for keys, but it does a lot of functions. Okay. If the RPM, sometimes it will not go through if the RPM is a little bit higher, but we try to see what could be done. Okay, now if you see here, there is a lot of icons. This for immobilizer, Abrams, and then I'm gonna look for the tire pressure, throttle reader here. I will go here and see if it will take me to it. Okay, now you gotta look for Nissan. K1, 1K, throttle matching. So let me see what's gonna happen. Everything has to be off. It's supposed to come down as soon as you push here. You push start. The RPM support, you see now? You're pulling it down, you see? Everything go cold. The engine go cool down. Now this one is working now. You see? Does not exceed 5 minutes. You're supposed to say that learning complete. That's it. You see everything is okay. The normal is 6.614. Engine speed 614 to 500, which is very good. Everything look nice. RPM is go down, you see it. Oh, I like that company. Maybe I have to buy one like this too. So it's done. This is how it adjusts the idle value. Some car you have to put a screwdriver, but this one is done. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic, and see you in another video.